In this video, we'll show you how to install the Option Price Calculator app into your Shopify store. Start by opening the app and navigating to the Install tab. From here, select the theme you want to install the app into. The theme marked active is the currently published live theme. Other themes listed are draft themes. We've also provided a method for installing into liquid-based themes and page builders which don't offer a way to add product page app blocks natively. For this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and install into our active theme. This is also what we recommend you do. The installation process consists of 3 steps. First, ensure you have at least one product in your Shopify store. Most stores already meet this requirement, so you can skip this step if it's already completed. Next, we'll activate the app embed. To do this, click the Activate App Embed button, and a new tab will open displaying your theme's app embeds. The Option Price Calculator app embed will automatically be activated, so you can go ahead and save. Once the page is saved, close the tab and return to the app's install page. Refresh the page status to verify that the app embed has been successfully installed. The final step is to add the Option Price Calculator app block to your product page. Click the Add Product Page App Block button, which will open a new tab in the theme editor. As you can see, we've added the product page app block for you automatically. You can also add the app block manually by clicking Add Section and selecting the Calculator app. This can also be done for any block within a section. If you want to add the Option Price Calculator app to a custom product page, you can change to the custom product page and add the app block using that method. Even though Shopify allows you to add the app block multiple times, only the first occurrence will ever be rendered. Until you've created a calculator and associated it with a particular product, you're not going to see the calculator appear on your product page. Drag the calculator app block to your preferred location on the product page. Once positioned, hide any unnecessary and optional product page blocks, such as the variant picker, quantity selector, price, and buy buttons. If you use product page metadata, you can replace the placeholder text here with metadata that you've already created in Shopify, so you can use it inside of your calculations. After making these changes, click Save to finalize your product page configuration. Return to the Install page by closing this tab, and let's go ahead and refresh the status again. Now, the Option Price Calculator app is fully installed. The next step is to create a calculator and associate it with your products. That's it. You're now ready to use Option Price Calculator app in your Shopify store.